In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade the parking lever on the Honda Navi NVA110 US version. Please note, with this upgrade, the factory lock feature won't work with this lever, but the brake lever now functions as a standard brake lever. Tools needed: ratchet with 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, 8mm socket, Phillips screwdriver. Using the ratchet with the 10mm socket and the 10mm wrench, remove the lever bolt. Very careful not to lose any of these parts. Carefully remove the factory lever. Insert the brake light switch cable through the hole. This switch cable activates the brake light when the lever is pressed. There's a small notch on the cable. Line it up with the square slot and snap it into place. Now carefully insert the new lever and the bolt. Assemble as shown. Insert washer, small tube, spring. Place spring ends in holes. Add washer and nut. Don't over-tighten. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the headlight cover. Using the 8mm socket, loosen the small nut without removing it. Locate the 2 bullet connectors from the right front brake lever switch cable, 1 green-yellow wire and the black wire. Using the cable adapters, connect the green-yellow adapter wire to the green-yellow connector and the black adapter wire to the black connector. Insert the new lever switch cable together with the harness. The green-yellow connectors from both lever switches to the green-yellow adapter, and the black connectors to the black adapter. Test that the brake light works by pressing right and left levers. Put the headlight cover back on. There are 2 pairs of screws. The short screws go on top, and the long screws go on the bottom. Using the 8mm socket, tighten the headlight adjusting bolt. Now you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.